Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Madison, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move is typically more than 50 miles from your existing location. Movers are adequately equipped to plan and execute long distance relocations. We have the necessary personnel and equipment to complete the transfer. Our moving vehicles have been designed to transport large and fragile items across great distances. We maintain them and inspect them before using them to guarantee they are in excellent shape. They're also skilled at sorting gently loading your stuff onto the vehicles, and our drivers are very cautious and have all traveled vast distances before. Additionally, we are duly registered with the state and federal agencies overseeing local and long distance relocation. We expeditiously carry out all of your belongings to your new place, ensuring that they arrive in their original condition. Additionally, our insurance plans cover damages and property loss if they happen during the process. Local movements are those that are fewer than 50 miles in length. Our relocation charges are pretty reasonable, and our mission is to provide residents with affordable access to the finest relocation services available. We charge between $30 and $40 an hour, and you may inquire more about us by speaking with the locals. We have an excellent reputation, and residents will undoubtedly shout our praise. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Madison moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.